For today's daily power prescription, it's meal prepping 101. Come on, Drew. I know you're great at meal prepping.
I'm just an amateur, but, over the years, the pros, I was Vinny Paz, the 5-time world champ. I was his cut man, so I saw how he trained. Meal planning was such an integral part of that. The other people that I've seen training for events, especially bodybuilding, the same thing. Exercising was one part, but the meal planning was key. I try to incorporate it into my regimen. It does help. If you do your shopping early on, you plan your meals. I think your choice of meals and your portion control are so much better.
Drew, you could not be any more correct. I say to people all the time when they ask about weight loss, what should I do? I say, this is all about meal prepping. It's all about being prepared, right? So that starts with a menu plan and a grocery list. Plan it out is what we like to say. Plan ahead. I know it sounds cliche, but believe it or not, meal prepping is actually meal planning with the emphasis on the planning. This doesn't mean spending tons of time researching recipes and analyzing all the macros. Spend just 5 to 10 minutes thinking about dishes that you want to eat and write out the recipes. Now, this will set you up for success later on, trust me. Here are a couple of quick tips you can follow. First, pre-chop and spiralize your veggies ahead of time in easy glass containers for like mix and match bowls later on. Also, utilize your freezer. You got it, use it. I find so many people forget about their freezer. If you're making lasagna or another similar dish, make 2 portions so you can eat one and freeze one. Hey, you can do it, if I can do it, and Drew can do it. So that's our daily power prescription for anything you miss on today's show. Just visit our website, thedoctorstv.com.
The global pandemic has changed our lives. We've been through so much. As vaccines roll out, there is hope for you and hope for the future.
I'm finally going to get my vaccine.
Through these challenging and historical times, the doctors have been by your side. This is why we went to medical school.
This is why we're here.
All May will give you the inside track on health and wellness.
Today I've been granted exclusive access to get a behind-the-scenes look at COVID contraband.
So you can get back to the life you deserve.
We hope that today we inspired you all to be better, because we will get through this.
It's time to take your power back. It is getting better. There is hope.
Love it.
I think I can. I can get there.
You betcha.
Absolutely.
The doctor is now more than ever.